Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.45 on Windows operating systems. Either it may be Windows 10, 11 or Windows servers. Okay, first go to MySQL official website and download it. It is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.45. If you are unable to find the version, then click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Okay. So at the time of making this video, the latest release is 8.0.45. Select it, then select Windows as the operating system. Now click on this MySQL installer for Windows. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.45. Then download this MSI installer. See, this is the web community and this is the installer. So see here the size differences. This is only 2.1. This is 556 megabytes. Click on download. Then click on no thanks. Just start my download. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is 556 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we install MySQL Server 8.0.45. See, download is completed. Now click on this MSI file. Now we have to choose the setup type: server only, client only, full or custom. If you select server only, it will install only server. If you select client, it will install only this. If you select full, it will install server, MySQL shell, router, workbench and documentation and examples, samples and examples. If you want custom, you can optionally select. Okay, I am going to select full. It is up to you. Then click on next. See the status now. It is downloading these applications. See, download completed. Now click on next. Ready to install. Click on execute. See, installation completed. Now see here product configuration. Okay, so click on next. See, now it is going to configure server, root, router and samples and examples. So click on next. See, now we have to select the config type. See here we have the development computer, server computer, dedicated computer. I am going to select server computer and default port is 3306. X protocol port is 33060. See, this is the named pipe. Okay, if you want to configure advanced and logging options, you have to select this one. See, once we selected this, see here it added advanced features. Click on next. It is up to you. Authentication methods: use strong password encryption or legacy authentication, whatever you want. You can, if you want, retain MySQL 5.x compatibility, you have to select this one. It is up to you. Then click on next. Then set the password for root account. Remember this password. Later we need this password to log in. If you want to create user, click on add user. Later also you can add user. If you want to add here only, click on add user. Now you have to provide username, host name and role. See here we have different roles. Then we have to set the password. Okay, at this moment I am not going to add. Click on next. This is the name in the services. Okay, I am giving 45. Run Windows services, standard system account or custom. Okay, whatever you want you can select. Then click on next. This is the server file formation location. If you want to grant full access, select this one. Okay, click on next. These are the logging file names. Next. Ready to apply the configurations. So if you want to modify any one of them, click on back and you can edit. It is up to you. Then click on OK. Click on execute. See, the configuration for MySQL Server 8.0.45 was successful. Click on finish. Click on next. Next it is going to configure router. Click on next. I'm going with the default, so click on finish, click on next for the samples. Now provide the password to create the samples of this root account. Click on check for the authentication, then click on next, click on execute. Everything done, click on finish, click on next. Successfully configured. If you want to copy the logs to keyboard, you have to click on here. If you want to start MySQL Workbench after setup, you have to keep the checkbox. If you want to open the MySQL shell after setup, you have to keep the checkbox. I don't want either of them, then click on finish. Now we will connect to MySQL Server 8.0.45 by using first MySQL Workbench. Just go to MySQL folder, all applications, MySQL, then select the MySQL Workbench. See here, CE means community edition. Now database and select connect to database. Now select the connection method. Okay, remove with the defaults. Host name. This is the loopback IP because MySQL is installed on this one. Then username root. Then provide the password by clicking on the store in vault. Then click on OK. Then click on OK. See, we have successfully connected. We go to schemas. See here, these are the default databases. If you want to create database or run any SQL statements, we can perform here. You can give database or schema, both are same. Select the query, then click on this execute button. See, successfully created, but see here it is not showing. Right click, then refresh all. See here we have the database bank. We go to administration. See here we have different options. Users and privileges. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL 8.0.45 installation. If you want to create user, click on add account. Okay. Now we'll connect from the MySQL command line client. Provide the password of the root account. See, we have successfully connected. Now verify databases. Show databases. See, we have created this database except Cycle and World, remaining are default databases. If you want to verify the version, see here we have the version 8.0.45. You can also verify select version. See, we got the same. Okay. The last option that I want to show you is how to stop, start and restart MySQL service on Windows operating systems. Go to Windows Run, then services.ms. Then press M. See here we have the MySQL 8.0.45. This is the name that I have given. See the status, it is running. If you want to stop, click on this stop link or click on stop button or right click and select stop. If you want to restart, select this restart. If you want to restart here, see here we have this option. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.45 on Windows operating systems. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.